everyone, it's Beth from Sweetheart's Hair. Welcome back to another tutorial. I'm here with lovely Lily and we're going to show you a really cute headband braid. You could wear it for school, parties, whatever you fancy. Let's get going. So I'm going to start off by just taming all the front of the hair. So you could use wax, you could use gel, whatever you like to use. I'm just using a really soft wax here. It's like a VO5 styling wax. I'm just running it over my fingers. I'll just do that for Diggy Dog. And we're just going to start to smooth that into the hair. I'm going to be using a bit more of this down the line, but this is just going to help me with my part lines and any kind of frizz or flyaways or static. Next we are going to split the hair down the centre, just to the crown. So I've just then divided the hair from the crown to just behind the ear there. We'll do the same on the other side. I'm just very gently going to tie this hair up because I don't want to cause an indentation. So I'm just using a little silk scrunchie there. And then we're going to come back to the top. So just adding in even more wax now. It's completely up to you how much you want to add in. I want this style to not move all day long. We're going to come to the top here and I'm just going to slice across like so. Smooth it out. And we're going to break this hair into two. And then the side that's nearest to the face, we're going to twist towards the face. So twisting towards, and then you're going to cross it over, so just swap them around. And then I'm going to take another slice of hair, join it into this right hand side and twist towards the face. Cross them over. Another slice of hair. Adding it into this right hand side, so the piece that's next to the face, twisting towards the face. So we're going to keep repeating this, so twisting and crossing over. And then when you can't add any more hair, you're just going to continue that twist to the front, cross over, twist to the front, cross over. And then you're going to pop a little elastic in here, making sure you keep that tension in the braids. Don't let it untwist itself. And then just to hold this in place for a moment, I'm just going to slide this in and just hold that there. I want you to do exactly the same on this side, but remember it's the opposite side now. So you're going to break the hair into two. The side that's closest to the face, you're going to twist towards the face. So I'm just going to keep on twisting this along. So just sliding that out, like so. Just making sure that everything's nice and smooth underneath. So I've just used a little bit of hair oil on my hand for this last bit. One, to stop any flyaways, and two, just to give that really nice shine to the hair. And then I'm going to take these two little braids now and I'm going to just meet them at the back. I'm going to take out these two elastics that we no longer need, and then I'm gently just going to place a little hair bow there. There we have it. Let's do a spin, Lily. So this is our finished little style, super simple. So it's just your twist braid that you can easily practice. And then a little half up hairstyle for school or parties. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.